Hey guys, what's up? Okay, I look like really fat because I just want to show you guys I'm not that fat. Who cares if you're fat? So stupid. Hey, okay, so I just want to quickly show you guys. I know that like I get so many DMs from you guys. I don't always say so many. When people say so many, it's like 2 or 3. But I'm getting more than that. About like, thank you so much, Alex. I'm blinking. Sorry. Okay. Thank you so much, Alex, for like sharing what you're doing, because you guys know if there's quarantine like shit, like you guys, like it's hard because you're like, you have nothing else to do, like you have nowhere to go, so you're just like, you're eating, you know what I mean, whatever. Okay, so I have this new like salad thing I've been doing that I really like. Okay, and if you don't like tuna, like canned tuna, I used garbanzo beans yesterday because I ran out of tuna, so I went back to buy tuna and they had them, thank God, because they didn't have tuna at one point. Okay, but I want to show you guys this. I was gonna show you guys first. I'm trying to think before I say. Sorry, you guys know I don't like edit shit out. I'm just like thinking if I'm gonna miss something. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, that's the thing. All right. So I forgot one thing. I don't want to use this. That's the thing because it's extra calories and. Okay, so here we go. I knew I forgot something. Okay, I went to Whole Foods. And I'm obsessed with this. It's just the chopped salad, but what's in it? I think it's better if I stand back, right? My hair is so cute. What I love about it is there's like so many different kinds of vegetables in here, and they're chopped into squares. They're not like shredded. So it's just really like unique. It's like, I don't know. I like fun. I like it. I don't want to. It has to be a moment. Everything has to be like a moment. Has to be like presented on a plate. Like, it has to be a reason, okay? Like, you know what I mean? It can't just be like, okay, just cut up a bunch of vegetables. Like, no, I don't like that. So in here, there's like carrot, celery, broccoli, radishes, cabbage, very plain vegetables, like not like onion or anything like that. Like nothing that like will rot quick. Oh, I think there's like some kind of bell pepper, green bell pepper too. So that's this. And I love it. I'm so excited. So I don't know. I'm like obsessed. So let me choose the bowl first. It all matters to me. Like, I'm sorry, I'm fucking weird. Okay. So these are both from World Market. And the bowl that I choose, it just kind of depends on the vibe I'm into right now. I like the flat bowl. I think I'm just gonna do the flat bowl. I like this one too, but it's not, I don't know. Or this one is like my great grandma's, which I really like too. And I always remember my grandma using this for when I went to her house for like Christmas or Thanksgiving. There would always be medyo salata in here, which is like Greek eggplant dip. So I love this bowl. It's like kind of brings back memories, and she recently gave me some shit. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in my bowl. I know it's like everything has to be so complicated, right? Yeah, it does. Okay, that. And then I'm gonna open up the tuna. So when I choose tuna, I try to look for the ones that have the least amount of calories. And I don't want to hear anyone's bullshit on here, okay? Because yes, I calorie count, and if you give a fuck, get the fuck off my channel, okay? Because you're annoying, and I don't give a fuck what you say. It's all about calories, okay? It's all about fucking calories. I don't want to hear anyone has to say, like, I don't care. So annoying. People are so irritating. Okay. So, and she's promoting anorexia. Like, bitch, you're so fucking irritating. Like, you're so fucking offended by everything. Shut up. Okay. So, oh my God. Just like knocked everything over. Oh my God. I think this thing is like fucking possessed. I'm going to drain this. And to be honest, can I tell you guys my very favorite? It's not in my house, the mess. Like, it's like quarantine life. Like, I have a bunch of fucking like vitamin shit and dog treats. Like, my fucking house is like immaculate all the time. Like, I don't have shit on counters. I hate it, typically. Not like that, at least. My house has turned to a fucking mess. It's just bullshit. Okay, so my favorite tuna ever is from Subway. It's the best fucking tuna. It's like straight mayonnaise. Like, there's no fish in it. It's just tuna. It's just mayonnaise, I swear. You guys, I told you I like mayonnaise, right? I love mayonnaise. Okay, so this one has 90 calories in the can. There are ones with 70, but like I could not. There's nothing in the store. Okay, everyone's fucking panicking. We're not talking about things today. Okay. So I'm gonna put this just in and to be honest, you're gonna kill me. I don't give a shit. I'm gonna cut out a portion. I took about 20 calories of it because I only want to eat 70 calories. Like, usually the ones I find have 70 calories in it, okay? Like, I have to watch everything I eat. It's all about it. Don't fucking cheat yourself. Don't Cheat yourself. Don't lie to yourself. You're only lying to yourself, okay? Bitch, you're only fucking lying to yourself. I could have put that in there and been like, whatever, but no, it fucking adds up. That's how I lost like a lot of my weight. I was honest about what I was eating. Like, I measured everything out. So it was like, I knew it. Even down to like how much milk. Like, put it in a fucking measuring cup. Okay, there. There's that so far. Then I love mayonnaise. I fucking love mayonnaise so much. So this is the light mayonnaise, and one tablespoon is 35 calories. I'm just gonna do it. I mean, here's a tablespoon. This looks like it'd be like a slightly larger tablespoon, to be honest. Okay, like that. I would love to use like 10 tablespoons of this. I love mayonnaise. Okay, then I'm just gonna mix this all together. And then, sorry, you guys know I'm not like going to edit this, so you're gonna just watch me, okay? Watch me do nothing. Like, what are you doing? Okay, I didn't see anything. I'm like the worst. Shit. Okay. If you guys weren't here, this would be way easier to do. I look like an idiot doing this. Like, I can't even stir food. The mayonnaise is necessary. I know Kaylee's like yogurt, low-fat sour cream, but like yesterday I had like low-fat ranch dressing, like this like bottled stuff in the fridge. It ruined it. It didn't taste the same. It's half the amount of calories, honestly, like, but it just didn't taste the same. Like, I just have to have mayonnaise with my tuna. I just have to. I love it. Okay, so let me just scoop that out with a fork because there's just some mayonnaise left and I want to get every last bit of it, or another spoon. Hold on. Oh, God. Anyway, anyone out there, when I'm mixing this, I just want to say a quick, like, little hey to everyone, because I'm sure the people who are watching this are, like, probably the most isolated people, and so I want you guys to know, like, I wrote on my Instagram yesterday that, like, I really don't take this whole, like, quarantine thing lightly when it comes to, like, mental health, like, people's mental health. Like, I'm really nervous how people are, I'm not nervous for myself, I'm just nervous, just like I'm a general nervousness. I feel really bad, like, especially like introverts who keep to themselves. Like, you guys probably think like your introvert friends are like taking it fine, but like, it's really, I don't know, I just feel really bad. I want you guys to know that, like, I really am thinking about everyone out there. You know, this is like horrible, and I just hope everyone is okay. I really, really do. I know it's like me being fake. You guys know I'm not a fake person at all. I really just think I hope everyone out there is okay. Like, I really, really, honest to God, do. That's why I'm like gonna try to do more videos, like as much. Like right now, I was like, I don't know. I'm just gonna show you how I made this. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Let me show you. Actually, one more thing too. I have this out here to show you. That's not it. I'm gonna show you something else really quick. So I'm gonna put this away. So I boiled these red potatoes, and then I like looked online because like a whole russet baked potato is like it's like 100 calories for like a small baked potato or medium. I don't know. It's not bad, but these red potatoes, are these like really fattening? I'm shocked. I looked online. It said something about a small red potato being like 100 calories or something. How the fuck is that possible? Like, is Google like fucking with me? I don't know what's going on. Can someone tell me? But let me tell you what I love doing. So I boiled these thinking it's just something I can like reach for, not a lot, but like every once in a while, like rather than like a piece of celery. I understand way more calories than celery. But I have this, you guys know I love like imported mustard. I got this when I was in France, and it's so fucking good. This is the best fucking mustard ever. Okay. So these are fattening. I'm not eating them. All right, let me show you now what I do. All right, so let me show you. Now, here is the situation. Should I sit down with you? I think I'm gonna sit down with you. Okay, hey, hold on, let me get the spoon. Sorry, fuck. Oh my God. Okay, so, I wanted to get my Christoffel spoon. I love this spoon. I'm really picky about spoons. Okay, it's like, I look disgusting. All right, so let me show you what I do. This is my mixture. I have some salsas. And I have a green of called salsa verde here. And oh my God, she licked her hand. She's so disgusting. Shut up. Don't irritate me right now. Okay, and then I have this. Is this little, I got this from a restaurant that I like. They make it and they sell it here. And it's like crushed. It's amazing. This is from Heroic. I talked about them, whatever, on my Instagram the other day. Heroic Deli. Heroic in, it's like an Italian restaurant in Santa Monica. You guys, if you live around there, go fucking buy this. It's $10. It's the best in the world. I think it has a lot of calories in it. There's a ton of oil. So I try and scoop around the oil. I'll show you. If you don't live in Santa Monica or whatever, I have this as well that I got from the supermarket, which is similar, but it's not as good. All right, so yes, I double dip and stuff. This is my personal shit. I don't want to hear it. You're so annoying. Like, I can't even eat without, okay, so let me show you what I do. So I will take like a bite like this, and then like this. It's so good. It's just, it is so good. It's so much flavor. So low cal. These are 0 calories. This one on the other hand, there's oil on it, so there is a lot of calories. And this whole thing, it's 90 calories plus 35. Do the math, what? 125? I don't know, I can't fucking add. The whole, I don't count vegetables. You guys know I don't count like healthy vegetables. I just don't fucking count. Like I said, if God wants to do me like that and fucking count vegetables as calories, like, I don't know what to say. I cannot relate. I cannot like adhere to that. Okay, so this is very spicy. And anyway, but the thing is, you just take like your favorite 0 calorie spicy stuff. If you like spicy, or like even mustard would be fine. Oh my God, I love this shit. It's so good. It is so fucking good. So low cal. Honestly, you could even like double up the vegetables in this and not eat the whole thing, and eat half now and then half later. You know what I mean? Just like, instead of picking at things through the day, it's just nice to just keep in your refrigerator. It's like so guilt-free. Oh, I love that shit. Okay, so I like to sit here and eat with you guys all day long, okay, but I just want to pop on for a quick video, and this is not so quick. Show you my earrings up close. I'm wearing all different kinds. Gold bar in the short and the long. And then a bankroll earring. This is 14K, ear cuff, 14K. And my safety pin, which I love. Oh my God, you guys are loving these bracelets and necklaces. I'll wear the necklace in another video. I'm like wearing too much right now. This is like my vibe today. You guys are fucking loving these. It's called the show outs. And I'm gonna start making them tomorrow. Ship out to you guys, obviously from my house. So thank you guys so much for continuing to support my line. Obviously, you guys, I love you. Okay, go make this so good.